Top 20 sightseeing places in Lambasingi. 1. Lambasingi Viewpoint. Known as the Kashmir of Andhra Pradesh, Lambasingi Viewpoint is the most popular attraction. The highlight is the magical sunrise, when the entire valley is covered in mist, with clouds floating over the green hills. It is a paradise for photographers and nature lovers, especially in winter when the chill adds to the charm. Highlights: stunning sunrise views, mist and cloud-covered valleys. Best spot for photography. Best time: early mornings, November to February, for mist and winter chill. 2. Thajangi Reservoir. Located just 6 kilometers from Lambasingi, this serene reservoir is surrounded by thick forests and hills. It is a great spot for boating, fishing, and relaxing amidst nature. The reservoir reflects the misty skies during sunrise, making it an ideal place for quiet morning walks and family picnics. Highlights: boating and fishing options, surrounded by lush greenery, beautiful reflections during sunrise. Best time, morning or evening, October to March. 3. Kothapalli Waterfalls. About 30 kilometers from Lambasingi, Kothapalli is a hidden gem surrounded by dense forests. The cascading waters form a natural pool at the base, perfect for a refreshing dip. Adventure seekers often trek through forest trails to reach the falls, while photographers capture its raw, natural beauty. Highlights: cascading waterfalls, forest trekking routes, natural pool for swimming. Best time: monsoon and post-monsoon, July to November. 4. Susan Garden. This unique garden is filled with vibrant black-eyed Susan flowers that bloom across vast fields. The golden yellow flowers, with green hills in the backdrop, make it one of the most picturesque spots in Lambasingi. Evening walks here during sunset create a magical experience. Highlights: colorful flower fields, great for sunset photography, peaceful picnic spot. Best time: winter and spring, November to March, during bloom. 5. Coffee and spice plantations. Lambasingi is well known for its coffee estates and spice farms. Visitors can take plantation tours to see coffee plants, pepper vines, and cardamom. It's also a chance to interact with local farmers, understand traditional farming practices, and buy freshly grown coffee and spices. Highlights: coffee and pepper farms, guided plantation walks, fresh local produce to buy. Best time: November to February, harvest season. 6. Kothapalli Viewpoints. Kothapalli, close to Lambasingi, offers breathtaking valley views and rolling hills covered in mist. Apart from the viewpoints, it also gives tourists a chance to learn about tribal lifestyle, culture, and food. Many trekking trails around Kothapalli attract adventure enthusiasts. Highlights: wide valley panoramas, close to tribal hamlets, ideal for photography and trekking. Best time: winter mornings, October to February. 7. Overnight camping. Lambasingi's cool climate and open meadows make it a perfect camping destination. Tourists pitch tents, light bonfires, and enjoy stargazing in the clear skies. Waking up amidst the chilly breeze and misty surroundings is a one-of-a-kind experience. Highlights: bonfire and stargazing. Chilly night camping, experience nature up close. Best time: December to February for the coldest nights. 8. Araku Valley. Just 50 kilometers from Lambasingi, Araku is a must-visit hill station. Surrounded by valleys, waterfalls, coffee estates, and tribal culture, Araku offers attractions like the Tribal Museum, Kothapalli Waterfalls, and coffee plantations. A ride on the scenic Araku Railway route is also unforgettable. Highlights: coffee plantations and Tribal Museum, Kothapalli Waterfalls nearby, scenic Araku Valley train journey. Best time: November to March for cool weather and greenery. 9. Bora Caves. Located about 40 kilometers away, Bora Caves are among India's largest limestone caves. They are filled with stalactite and stalagmite formations that are illuminated with colorful lights inside, creating a surreal effect. The caves also hold mythological and archaeological significance. Highlights: ancient limestone formations, lit cave interiors, archaeological and mythological importance. Best time October to February, comfortable for exploration. 10. Padmapuram Gardens. Spread across 30 acres in Araku Valley, Padmapuram Gardens are known for exotic plants, orchards, and treetop huts where visitors can stay. A toy train ride inside the garden makes it especially attractive for children and families. Highlights: landscaped gardens, toy train rides, treetop huts stay best time, winter and spring, November to March. 11. Poppy Hills. Situated along the Godavari River, Poppy Hills are known for their scenic beauty and boat cruises. The boat ride takes visitors through lush forests, waterfalls, and tribal hamlets. It is a serene getaway, perfect for those who love peaceful landscapes. Highlights: Godavari River cruises, waterfalls along the route, scenic tribal villages, best time, winter and post-monsoon, October to February. 12. Lambasingi Trekking Trails. The hills and dense forests around Lambasingi are filled with trekking paths leading to waterfalls, viewpoints, and plantations. Both beginners and experienced trekkers can enjoy the trails, making it a favorite activity for adventure lovers. Highlights: forest trekking routes, adventure and nature trails, leads to hidden spots. Best time, October to February for cool trekking weather. 13. Rampa Waterfalls. Around 25 kilometers from Lambasingi, Rampa Waterfalls is tucked deep inside forests. The waterfall cascades beautifully into a pool, making it a perfect place for relaxation, picnics, and photography. The journey through the forest adds to the adventure. Highlights: refreshing natural pool, dense forest backdrop. Ideal for picnics. Best time, monsoon and after, July to December. 14. Bojanakonda, an ancient Buddhist heritage site near Anakapale, approximately 80 kilometers from Lambasingi. It features rock-cut caves, stupas, and carvings dating back to the 4th to 9th centuries. It is an important place for history enthusiasts and those interested in Buddhist culture. Highlights: ancient Buddhist heritage, rock carvings and stupas, archaeological site, best time, October to March, pleasant sightseeing. 15. Kondakarla Bird Sanctuary. This sanctuary is centered around Kondakarla Ava Lake, one of the largest freshwater lakes in Andhra Pradesh. During winter, it becomes a paradise for birdwatchers with numerous migratory species visiting the area. Boating is also available for visitors. Highlights: migratory birdwatching, freshwater lake boating, peaceful natural setting. Best time, November to February, migratory season. 16. Taida Park. Located near Araku Valley, Taida Park is an eco-tourism hub offering nature trails, birdwatching, and adventure sports like rock climbing. It is also home to tribal communities, giving tourists an authentic cultural experience. Highlights: adventure sports, trekking, climbing, birdwatching trails, tribal culture insights. Best time, October to March for outdoor activities. 17. Ananthagiri Hills. Located on the way to Araku, these hills are filled with coffee plantations, streams, and waterfalls. Popular for trekking and photography, the cool climate and green surroundings make it a peaceful stopover. Highlights: coffee plantations, scenic viewpoints, trekking and waterfalls. Best time, August to February, green and cool. 18. Visakhapatnam. Excursions. About 100 kilometers from Lambasingi, Vizag is a coastal city offering diverse attractions. Kailasagiri Hill Park provides panoramic city views. RK Beach is perfect for relaxation. Thatlakonda is a Buddhist site, and the Submarine Museum showcases naval history. Highlights: Kailasagiri Hill Park, Ramakrishna Beach and Submarine Museum, Thatlakonda Buddhist site. Best time, October to March, beach weather. 19. Frost Experience. Lambasingi is one of the very few places in South India to record near-zero temperatures in winter. In early mornings, the grasslands are often covered in frost, creating a white carpet that attracts tourists for this rare experience. Highlights: winter frost on grasslands. Unique South Indian cold climate. Best during December to January mornings. Best time, December to January, early mornings. 20. Strawberry and apple farms. Certain farms in and around Lambasingi grow seasonal strawberries and apples. Visitors can walk through the farms, enjoy fresh fruit picking, and buy locally grown produce. It's a unique rural experience combined with scenic beauty. Highlights: strawberry and apple picking, seasonal farm tours, fresh local fruit tasting. Best time, December to February, harvest season. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more travel updates.